Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable mouse acceleration in Marvel Rivals. This is a very easy method and it's still working even with the newest patch. So how do you do it? Okay, first you want to download this mod. I'm going to put the link in the video description, but here, you click on it and say download. And then when you're going to download this file here. So what you're going to do with this file is that you're going to open up Steam. Right click on Marvel Rivals, go to properties, go to installed files, go to browse, and here you're gonna see the Marvel Rivals directory. Go to Marvel game, go to Marvel, go to content, packs, and under packs you want to create a new folder. So go to new folder and call it mods. And do that. Okay, now take the file that you've just downloaded here, and you want to extract it into this folder. So just copy it here and say extract all. Windows should be able to extract it by default. And here you are. It will create this folder here. And it will, and this folder has this mouse.pack in it. And that is it. You just start Marvel Rivals as normal and mouse acceleration will be disabled.